Welcome to the installation video for our PSB 562 bushing. Here we have the comparison between the original bushing and our polyurethane bushing. Make sure to clean out the inner housing thoroughly after removing the old bushings. Make sure to place lubricant on the inner as well as the outer part of the bushing before installing.
It's a shallow bushing though, so it's probably well. Nice easy one.
Once both parts of the polyurethane bushing have been installed, insert the metal sleeve. This full process can be done by using a rubber mallet. And there we have our fully installed PSB 562 bushing.